If Blender is giving you the error writing to file message, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens when Blender tries to save your render, cache, or temporary files, but something is blocking it behind the scenes. In most cases, the issue is caused by a bad output path, missing folder permissions, a full drive, or corrupted temp files. The good news is that this is usually an easy fix. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, check your render output path. Open Blender and go to your render properties, then look for the output settings. Make sure the folder path is valid and that Blender is saving to a location that actually exists. If the folder was moved, deleted, or renamed, Blender may throw the error writing to file message because it can't find where to save the render. A very simple test is to change the output folder to something easy, like your desktop or a new folder on your main drive. If that works, then you know the original path was the problem. Next, make sure the folder has right permissions. Even if the path looks correct, Blender still needs permission to create and save files there. If you're working inside a protected system folder or an external drive with limited access, Blender may fail when trying to write the file. On Windows, you can right-click the folder, open Properties, and check the Security tab. On Mac or Linux, make sure the folder is accessible and not locked down by system permissions. If needed, try running Blender as an administrator, because that can immediately solve permission-related issues. Another common fix is to disable persistent data. In Blender, open Render Properties and look for the Persistent Data option. This setting can sometimes keep old render data in memory and interfere with new renders, especially if the project has been moved or changed. Turn it off, then try rendering again. This small step can solve a surprising number of file writing errors. Now let's clear the cache and temp files. If Blender has old temporary data stored on your system, that data can become corrupted and block new renders from being saved properly. Close Blender first, then delete temp or cache files if you know where they are stored. If you're not sure, you can also clear Blender's temporary file location from your system settings or just move to a fresh output folder and try again. After that, check your available disk space. If your drive is nearly full, Blender may not have enough room to write the render output. This is especially common with high-resolution renders, long animation sequences, or projects using a lot of simulation data. Free up some space on the drive, especially the one you're rendering to, and then try the render again. If the problem still continues, restart Blender completely. Sometimes a render process gets interrupted, a temporary lock remains active, or Blender just needs a clean restart to release a stuck file path. Close the program, reopen your project, and run the render again from the start. If none of that works, try changing the output folder one more time and re-rendering the scene from scratch. In many cases, the error writing to file message disappears immediately once Blender is pointed to a fresh, simple folder with enough space and full permissions. So to recap, the fastest fixes are checking the output path, confirming folder permissions, disabling persistent data, clearing temp files, and restarting Blender. Most of the time, the issue is not the scene itself, but the location Blender is trying to save to. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Blender troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.